Leetcode Weekly Context 500. Question number 1. Count indexes with opposite parity. This is an easy problem. If I translate the requirement into simple English, that means for any number, if it is odd number, we want to know how many even number that is behind this odd number. And for a even number, how many odd number are there behind this even number. So this is the real requirement. A step I'm gonna use to solve it gonna be the first. If I can count the total number of all odd numbers and the total number of all even numbers, same thing, then I can do this. Obviously, I can do this by going through the whole array. That's the first loop. The second time, if I can loop it again, this time for each index, I can write down how many odd numbers or even numbers are left at that given index. Then we put all these numbers in the result array. That will be the final result. But anyway, this is the whole solution and all steps we're going to solve this problem.